In this video, I will show you how to set up PNC Bank app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, head over to the App Store and app on the search bar and type in PNC. This is the application they should download now. Tap on to get launch your app. Once you have installed it, you will see this page here. Tap on the yes and but I don't have a user ID. You will redirect you to this type of page where you need to complete the 5 steps to get enrolled in your PNC online and mobile banking. Start with the identification information. Select any of these. They will use this to verify your ID if you have any of these, and tap on the option. But in case you don't have any of these, tap on I don't have any of these. Then you will be required to enter your passport number and other account information. Enter your PNC account number or your personal debit or credit card number. And moving on, under verify your information, select one of the following options if you would like to enter your PNC debit card PIN. Select the first option. In case you don't have any of these, you can tap on receiving one-time password. Send your phone number, and as you do this box simply type your phone number and where you will be receive one-time password. Once done, tap on the next, and at the next page you will give information that been asked. Follow the on-screen prompt to create a PNC account, and that's it.